How to see accounts you don't follow back on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile. Now as you tap on your profile at the bottom right, you'll be led to your profile where you can see the number of posts, the number of follow you have and the number of following that you do. Now just go to the followers list over here and here you'll be able to see the number of people and the accounts that you follow or that follow you. So just tap on any of the profile over here, and here if you do not follow that person back, then you'll get to see this blue over here, blue tag that says follow back. So just you can tap on follow back if you want to, and if you don't, then you can just let it be and you'll be just know that there are accounts that you don't follow back on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.